So here's our plan for today's class. So we're having all of these conversations about graphs, and we've been looking at the relationships between your original function and your rate functions and your accumulation functions. And we want to make sure that you're feeling good about your function families. You should be able to look at a graph around the room. I have 12 of them for you. And you should be able to describe what that function is in terms of what's going on with x. So are we looking at a linear quadratic cubic function? Are we looking at a piecewise linear function? Are we looking at a square root, an absolute value? Are we looking at a cube root? Or maybe it's not even a function. So your task today is going to be to take a little trip around the world and go to Ireland, China, Jamaica, Peru, Thailand, Canada, Australia, Honduras, Turkey, Iceland. If you did the staple mix up on one of those, just put it on my desk. Just whichever one's messed up. Go ahead and grab a new one. They're all stapled. They should be stapled. Flip it around.
It's all right.
All realize that.
I did not think these things. I wrote it with it. Yeah. It's just not like it's all right. Yeah.
Can I continue? Would you mind? Thanks. So your task today is to go through and you find working as a group, going through and talking about each of these graphs, identifying their features. There are 12 graphs and 12 sections. I don't care what order you go in. So if you start somewhere in the middle of the room, that's fine. As you go around identifying the features of these graphs. The purpose of this review exercise is to get your head back into and have these powerful conversations about linking what you learned in Algebra 2 and Pre-Calc with what now we're doing with these graphs in calculus. Before you get started, I would like you to take out the homework from last class. Make sure that your name is on said homework and pass it to one member of the group who is willing to go for a walk and put everyone's work in my inbox. 3, 4, All right, once you have your homework turned into my inbox, you're free to work on the graphs. If you're a friend, again, why am I talking over you? Oh, it's not just one. It's many of you rudely talk through me. It's just poor manners. Confident your parents taught you better than that. If you are not happy with your homework and you feel like you would benefit, from spending more time on quality answers, knowing that I'm taking a look at them, you are welcome to finish that assignment, add it to the inbox, and then join your classmates with the graphing, if that is your choice. Any questions? When you finish this classwork assignment, again, it goes into the inbox, and then we'll have a homework assignment ready for you, which you're free to start on. Any questions before I let you work? All right, work.